Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Cyberpunk 2077. Let's dive in. First, go to Nexus Mods. Come and create an account. Once your account is ready, search for Cyberpunk 2077 using the search bar or select it from the home page. Once you're on the game's mod page, explore the most popular section to find mods you'd like to try. For this tutorial, I'll be installing the immersive first-person mod. Click on the mod you want, then scroll down to the Files tab. You'll see two download options: Mod Manager Download if you use a mod manager, or Download if you prefer to install it yourself. I'll go with the manual option. Sometimes, mods require other supporting mods to work. If that's the case, the site will let you know. Just open the required mod in a new tab and download it too. Click Slow Download if you're using the free version of the site. Once the downloads are complete, extract the files using a tool like WinRAR or 7-zip. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded a mod for Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy the upgraded experience.